Study me, study me, study me. I know the vex now, so they study me. All of you niggas are horrible, I see the fake hustle in front of me. All you niggas are wannabe, I want the game now, this a robbery. Get on my dick now like I'm rubbery.
What's up YouTube, it's about Tariq Vlogs aka The Reaction Boss. And I'm back with another video for you guys. Just hear that song from Ninja. You see me as a song called Study Me. What? Yeah, try to study me? Don't do it. Anyways, straight to the Trinidad. See me as people see what I'm going for the video. Alright, now drop a like, a comment, and subscribe to the channel if you all are new. You feel me? And guess what? Before the video even begins, I want you to drop some 5 emojis right now in the comment section. And how was your Valentine's Day? Like, did you get some coochie? Cause I did not. I ain't gonna cap to you. I know, let's get straight to this video right now, y'all. Go! Alright. But like, hold on, pass. I love that classroom already. I be a pum pum in there. Look there. Be a pum pum. I love it. Go on. Pum pum, pum pum, pum pum. Alright then. So yeah, teacher.
Alright, so quiet down. Alright, let's show today. Quiet down, your boyfriend not here today. So today we have a new student. You go ahead and introduce yourself. Okay. Some love, baby, some love.
Oh, the rest. Teacher, you need to get control of your class, sir. I don't like how your classroom I deal with your son, sir. What kind of style that? John.
Why you looking at me like
I was trying to get the story, but I get the story, but anyway, let's go.
Yo, is that correct, bro?
Yeah. Why you looking at me like that, bro? Yeah. That's what I'm going. Yeah. Fooling, man. Study me. I don't know why you be studying who? Study me. I don't know why you be studying who? Study me. I don't know why you be studying who? Study me. I don't know why you be studying who? Study me. Yeah. Study me. Yeah. Study me. Yeah. Study me. I know the vex now, so they study me. All of you niggas are horrible, I see the fake hustle in front of me. All you niggas are wannabe, I want the game now, this a robbery. Get on my dick now like I'm rubbery. They see me rain now, so they're covering. I keep it real.
Dog a rap.
Yeah.
And guess what? I never expect them to come with a whole routine. I'm first I watch a video. I never expect a routine that. Well, now let's go.
Study me. Yeah.
Why are you studying me?
Study me. Yeah. Study me. I know the vex now, so they study me.
Yeah.
All of you niggas are horrible. I see the fake hustle in front of me.
Yeah.
All you niggas are wannabe. I
Yeah.
want the game now, this a robbery. Get on my dick now like I'm rubbery. They see me rain now, so they're covering. I keep it real, dog, ain't no kind of fit. See I'm bad, dog, what you feel? Killing like Baka on screen. Birds go caw like a macaw, cause they know about that cream. This is the starters and I pre. Make with y'all them wanna breed. I got the action of cameras, you niggas don't know those scenes. So that study me. I don't know why you be studying who? Study me. I don't know why you be studying who? Study me. I don't know why you be studying who? Study me. I don't know why you be studying who? Study me. Yeah. Study me. Yeah. Study me. Yeah. yeah. Study me, study me, study me. Cause I'm just a real ass nigga, real ass player. One of them niggas, he could be ass niggas. See the eyes them shiver, girl them quiver. No, you niggas in the blue time, nigga. I just stack them figure like a back my niggas. You catch on the fight with a dog, I'm better. No cap, I'm a killer, I'm snapped like a pig. I ain't even talking about screenshot, nigga.
There you go, cat. There's so much fucking happening right now, bruh. I'm actually talking like I'm actually reacting to like a fucking American song right now, bruh.
I don't know why you be studying who? Study me, study me, yeah, yeah. Study me, yeah, yeah. Study me, yeah, yeah. Study me, study me, study me. Cause I'm just a real ass nigga, real ass player. One of them niggas, he could be ass nigga. See the eyes them shiver, girl them quiver. No, you niggas in the blue time, nigga. I just stack them figure like a back my niggas. You catch on the fight with a dog, I'm better. No cap, I'm a killer, I'm snapped like a pig. I ain't even talking about screenshot, nigga. Nowadays I don't even beat up. Anything in here but me eat up. Keep it real, I don't need to re-up. Mad dog make a girl feel better. Since you all like a dog, I'm better. No cap, I'm a killer, I'm snapped like a pig. I ain't even talking about screenshot, nigga. Nowadays I don't even beat up. Anything in here but me eat up. Keep it real, I don't need to re-up. Mad dog make a girl feel better. Since you all like a bit.
A dumb nigga girl feel better. Walla, Ninja, what lyrics with that?
Better no cap, I'm a killer, I'm snapped like a pig. I ain't even talking about screenshot, nigga. Nowadays I don't even beat up. Anything in here but me eat up. Keep it real, I don't need to re-up. Mad dog make a girl feel better. Since you all like a bit, till the buzz get lit. When the night time reach, yeah, wine up. Come on ground like bridge, shit hot like lick them mad. I'm lit with a beat up. So they study me, study.
Walla, no, he snapped. He fucking snapped.
I ain't even talking about screenshot, nigga. Nowadays I don't even beat up. Anything in here but me eat up. Keep it real, I don't need to re-up. Mad dog make a girl feel better. Since you all like a bit, till the buzz get lit. When the night time reach, yeah, wine up. Come on ground like bridge, shit hot like lick them mad. I'm lit with a beat up. So they study me, study me. I don't know why you be studying who. Study me, study me. I don't know why you be studying who. Study me, study me. I don't know why you be studying who. Study me, study me. I don't know why you be studying who. Study me, study me. Yeah, yeah. Study me, yeah, yeah. Study me, yeah, yeah. Study me,
Walla there.
yeah.
Walla there. People want to go check out the song for themselves right about now. You see me? I say go check out the song. Drop some 5 emoji on the song. But me have to check if the song actually there on like Apple Music. You feel me? Because more hear the song differently without the intro. You see me? And if you don't have Apple Music, I go drop a link in the comment section for right now. So HD, Apple Music or Spotify, anything one have it to me I say. You see me? I say so go stream it. So well, I'm still some Hd57, okay. The Ninjah. Let me swap. So it's a Squid Game. Where study me the dog? Where study me the dog? Wow, still study me dog. Study me want see dog. Drop me study me on Apple Music, brother. So study me not out there on Apple Music, people, but I still got support the thing, you see me I say. But for Apple Music, I have two songs on Apple Music right now, you see me I say, no games and done them, you see me. It's Squid Game 1. Anyway, it's been about time to say the reaction boss. So signing out of here. Big up on the bumbuckle by yourself as usual. You see me I say, we can't study Ninja right now because you don't know what the fuck I'm studying me. Peace out.